You would not Adam and Eve it, yeah, believe it, if you saw it. After that crash, not one GEMFAN prop bent, nothing. Still got video. Wow, man, the finder still going off. Not even a bent prop. Look, new battery, listen to these bearings. Now, I was going to gyroflow it, but when I got back, this thing, which has been Caddix, oh God, it's that bad. You've got to laugh. You've got to. And they expect us to buy a moonlight camera that sits on top and plugs into this that I've plugged in about 4 or 5 times, and it just moves. Oh my God. You know what I'm talking about. Anyway, enjoy the footage and enjoy the song. Alright. Oh, and the crash.
I've been running for a lifetime. I've been looking for a lifeline that you took far away from me, further than I ever see. You don't wanna lose me, or you don't wanna be with me. So listen closely, I will choose me. You changed in me all the honesty, stole a part of me. Now I'm done, ready to move on. All my life I've been trying to find my place. Every day feeling like I'm someone else. Most of the days I'm looking for escape from the person that I became. I just can't keep living like this. Lost the war, chasing after the bliss. Now you're gone, reminiscing your kiss. Only way is up, yeah, see you at the top, yeah. Best decision is to keep moving on, no matter how much in the hand. I'd rather suffer all at once than keep fighting on this battle for it. All my life I've been trying to find my place. Every day feeling like I'm someone else. Most of the days I'm looking for escape from the person that I became. I've been trying to find my place. Every day feeling like I'm someone else. Most of the days I'm looking for escape from the person that I became.